I got wigs on wigs on wigs on wigs on wigs on wigs on wigs.
Hey guys, it's me P and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I want to talk all things PNG wigs, what they are, where you can purchase them, and just basically how to elevate your Avi in the editing realm. Because originally I made this channel to help you guys elevate your Avi and how to be a full-blown baddie on the IMVU app, and I feel like I strayed away slightly from that. So I want to teach you guys where to get the best PNG wigs to elevate your pictures, and so you can get results just like this. Then keep on watching.
Hey, let's go back to the time when your nigga used to trip by the time we spent growing with your friend. It was all friendly on my end, even though I look forward to seeing you again.
In total, I have purchased from about 4 or 5 different PNG wig providers, and I'm only going to be giving my opinion on wigs that I've either purchased with my own money, PNG wig pages that I've come across and haven't yet spent my money on, or PNG wig places that I have collaborated with. And if you are a PNG wig provider, if you sell PNG products or PNG wigs and you do want to collaborate with me, then you can reach out to me in my DMs, or you can email me with the link in the description box. For today's video, I have collaborated with Coco Slays on Instagram. She's a PNG wig provider with great prices. You guys can check her out. All her information will be in the description box. And that's one thing that I love about being an influencer, that I'm able to get these products for free and relate it back to my audience, giving you guys my real, raw, uncut opinions on things. But don't get it twisted. Just because I got this stuff for free doesn't mean that I'm not going to give you guys my truthful and honest opinions. I have tried her products off camera and in my own personal time, and I do really like them. So everything I do say in this video is my raw, uncut opinion. I'm gonna say it how it is always. And since I love you guys so much, I have a discount code for you guys to get some money off of Coco Slays PNG page on Instagram. So stick around to the end of this video for you guys to claim it. But yeah, that's the beauty of being an influencer. If you guys do want to be an influencer just like me, I've created 2 ebooks, one on how to be an influencer, and then the second one is on content creation ideas, so you guys can really just delve right into the influencer scene. You can find these ebooks in the link in the description, and yeah, get in your influencer bag, sis. I will be doing a quick sped up install tutorial just so you guys can see how these wigs by Coco Slays lay on my head. But ultimately, if you want to know how to install a PNG wig in full detail, I already have that video on my channel. All you have to do is click the link in my description box or the timestamp here. Hopefully I've left the timestamp up here, and it will take you directly to the video. It also comes with a free PNG practice wig so you guys can learn along with me. But a quick disclaimer, if you want installs like this, then you are going to have to invest in PNG wigs. Any good PNG wigs are not going to be for free, guys. So some of them vary from prices from maybe £2 to £6, sometimes 8, sometimes 10. I've seen it go up to like about £8 or $8, my fault. So you're going to actually have to invest in a good PNG wig. The PNG wigs I'm going to show in this video are all from different price ranges. So if you can't afford that still, then this video might not be for you. Also guys, please don't ask me to send you guys a wig that I'm showing you in these videos. As I said, I spent my own money on this, and I'm saying this because I've been asked a few times in my DMs if I could send them a wig, and I can't do that. 1, I will be blacklisted and won't be able to shop with them ever again, and 2, it's a disservice to the creator or the business owner of the wig page. You have to understand that they put so much time and effort into creating these wigs for us all to enjoy, you know, for the people that actually like to edit their wigs on, and also don't resell their products, guys. And I get it, I truly understand. So you might not have the money for it, or you might not have the correct payment method that the wig providers are requesting, but to steal their work is completely wrong, guys. But like I mentioned before, if you would like a discount code to get some money off of a PNG wig provider on Instagram, stick around to the end of this video to get that code. And yeah, let's get into this video. All right, so we're gonna start with Opulence Boutique. Her wigs start from $7.25. I mean, that is on the pricier side, but remember I said, like, the higher the price, more time means the better the quality. The price is the price, and the price is it's the real deal. And why I say that is because her wigs speak for itself. Her wigs are of great quality, and when I tell you the installation process, I have no hassle with it. You literally plonk it onto your Avi's head, move it around just a little bit, because remember, her model's scalers might be different to your Avi's head scaler, and it's done, no problems. Her page is just very eye-catching. She follows latest trends. If it's a Valentine's theme, she'll do a Valentine's theme collection. Like, her collections are very just beautiful. She's very professional, and her page is very clean. Also, when I was purchasing with her, she was very polite and professional. She has fast replies, so if you really needed a wig for Valentine's Day, you will get it for Valentine's Day. There's no delay. And also, if you guys ever did want to get into making wigs for yourself, she does sell a digital wig making class. I'm not too sure of the price range, but you can definitely check it out on her page. She also has a broadcasting channel. I believe that's where she does all her sales, because I don't really see much sales on her page. All her sales are all in her broadcasting channel. I believe you can join it with the link in her bio. She does only accept Cash App, Apple Pay, Zelle and Linden. I believe Linden is the Second Life currency. I'm not too sure, but if you don't have PayPal, then that's a no-no. I used to purchase her when Cash App was available in the UK. I believe they took away Cash App, so I can't really purchase my wigs from her unless I go through somebody else, send them their money and then ask them to pay for it with their Cash App. But other than that, I have no problems with Opulence Boutique. She's open Monday to Sunday, and I also believe she takes wig suggestions, so if you see a wig that you really want, she can make it for you for a price, so definitely check her out. Okay, so the second PNG page I would recommend is Wigs by Brie. Her wigs retail at $4.80. Her wigs are great quality and they do also install well. Her page is consistent with a simple backdrop, so it's mostly just a solid color, and her models there showcasing the wig, and it's just simple, eye-catching. I just love it. I just love that simplistic background. One thing that Wigs by Brie does well is that she does offer alterations. So if you want a wig in a different color, she allows you to change the color, I believe up to about 3 times. You can also change the angle of the wig as well as the color of the wig. Now Wigs by Brie does do sales. I've seen her do like 10 wigs for $11, kind of like those type of sales, and that's really quite a good bargain. One thing about Wigs by Brie, she only accepts PayPal, not Cash App. One thing to be wary of though, I remember I reached out to her around my birthday period 2 years ago or a year ago, and I did ask her if I could have alterations to a wig. So instead of like grey highlights, I wanted blue highlights because that's my favorite color. I purchased about 5 wigs plus that one with the alteration, and she sent me the 4 normal, the last one without the alterations, for my birthday wig. But I said it's fine because the wig was still cute, so I allowed that to go. There was also another incident where I had with her. I ordered I think about 10 wigs, and one of the wigs was cut off at the bottom, so it wasn't the full length. But I said it's fine. I asked her if she could change it. She was like, yeah, I'll get back to you, but she never really did, so I just let that one slide as well. I just don't like confrontation, you know, so I just kind of just let it go, because I know how to edit wigs. I knew how to just like fix it myself, so it really wasn't a bother. But if you guys don't know how to edit wigs, I can see why that might scare you away. And I will say her replies are a bit slow. I don't know if it's the quantity of sales she's getting throughout the day where her replies are a bit slower, or she's just got a busy real life, so I don't blame her for that. But at the end of the day, you are a business, replies should be a little bit faster, especially if people need it for a specific time frame. Like I said, I need a certain wig for my birthday. But other than that, guys, I have no problems with Wigs by Brie. I will still recommend her. If you are going to purchase from her, I recommend doing it maybe a month in advance. Yeah, that's Wigs by Brie, guys. All right, next up we have lavishwigs.co. Her wigs retail for $5 per wig. My first encounter with her when I first bought her wigs was that she's very polite and professional. Her wigs are of great quality always, and so are her models. Every time I go onto her page and I see the models modeling her hair, I'm like, wow, they look so realistic. It's so cute. Another thing you notice when you go onto her page is that her page is very clean and well branded. She offers an editing class, not only how to install the wig, but how to edit pictures yourself. So another thing what I've noticed that was really sweet of her is that she makes sure that you receive your goods. So if you don't reply and say, thanks babe, I received everything, she will say, hey, did you receive everything, just to make sure you got it. That's just a good business move on her part. She also only accepts Cash App and PayPal. I'm pretty sure you will have one or the other, either a Cash App or a PayPal, you know, and they're easy to make. One thing I would say about Lavish Wigs is that she doesn't post new wigs regularly, but the ones she does have on her page, they eat. But yeah, I'm gonna keep it short and cute with Lavish Wigs. I would highly recommend her. Next up we have Silkypixelshop. Her wigs retail at $5 also. From interacting with her when I made my first purchase, I realized that she was just such a sweet girl. She's very active on her page. She's always posting on her stories. One thing about her, if I'm looking for a couple of wigs for a good price, she's gonna have a sale. Almost every other day she will have a sale, and those sales go crazy. The sales will be 5 for $5, 10 for for $10. Like, it just makes sense. So I would highly recommend Silkypixelshop for your first time purchase if you're going to be doing if you're actually going to start investing in wigs. Silkypixelshop also offers picture edit, so if you want a picture edited, she will help you with that. All around, her personality and her page is just fun. And also, if you're a first time buyer, I'm not sure if this is because I was a first time buyer or from my experience, I got 2 pairs of lashes free of charge and I use them all the time still to this day. And her payment methods are Chime, Apple Pay and Cash App only. The next PNG place I want to mention is BaddiewigsX. Now, I personally haven't shopped with her, but one thing about her, she's going to be in your face. The way that she sets up her posts are all consistent. There is no fault. Like, there's no switch up in how she posts her pictures. They're all consistent. She has the same background with the same BaddiewigsX wigs. It's very recognizable. You can't miss it. Her wigs are great quality and they're fun. Her models are very realistic. It looks like Jada Wader's on there, all these other celebrities that are easily recognizable. It's a page you want to invest in. I believe she only sells her wigs on Patron. That's why I haven't gotten around to like actually committing to it, because it's a monthly payment plan. So I think it's about $4 or about $7 or $8 if you want like the VIP bundle, and you can receive all the wigs from any collection that she's actually posted on her page. One thing I would say though, she doesn't have any highlights up or any reels. Sometimes I like to look back at like how an installation looks like on a model. One thing about me, I just love looking at highlights and reels, but it might not be a big deal to you guys. But other than that, she's definitely someone I'm going to invest in, and she knows the trending wigs to put out. Like, she's very, very good with that. The next one is TrapianaZ or TrapianaZ. I'm not sure how you pronounce that guy, but yeah, she's selling her wigs for $2 only, guys. So very affordable. If you're unsure about purchasing a wig yet and you don't want to invest too much just yet, $2 is not much to lose, and her quality is really, really good. If you check out her page, you can see that her page is very clean and professional. Not a lot is going on in the background, and that's how I like it. I like a very clean background. She offers different angles of the wig. You can get a side view, behind, you can get bonnets, everything. Like, I also believe she offers eyelashes and like towels, like, you know, when your hair is wet and you put your hair in a towel. She offers edits like morph edits, and she installs your wig for you as well. Her reels are very informative. Remember I was mentioning about the reels for the last page? She does reels to the T. Like, she will show you how she makes the wig in a sped up edit. She'll show you how it looks on her. Like, it looks so good. It's very intriguing. She also only sends the wigs through email and only accepts Cash App and PayPal. Now, like I mentioned in the beginning of this video, I did collaborate with Coco Slays on Instagram. Her wigs are retailing at $2.50. Her page is very fun. She has wigs from different textures and colors. One thing about her, she does huge collections. If you wanted to buy a full collection, you can do that as well. Her collection's about like 20 different wigs in one, and it's very, very affordable as well. And because it's such a huge collection, I'm sure you'll find something that you will like. Don't quote me, but I still believe that she's still looking for ambassadors. You will receive a welcome gift, which is free gifts, edits, exclusive drops, and much more. Another thing about Coco Slays, the price for one wig is only $2.50, but she also offers a lot of deals. If you buy more than one, you'll receive double for free. So if you buy 2 wigs, you can get an extra 2 for free. She does flash sales on every Sunday. She accepts credits as a payment method, and that's something I haven't heard in a while. So if you only have credits and you want to purchase a wig, she'll also accept that, as well as Cash App and PayPal. So 100% check her out. Here I'm just showing you the sped up version of the wig installation. As you can see, it's really simple process. I have a full in-depth tutorial on my page already. It's in the description box. But yeah, the wigs are very good quality, so much variety, so many choices that you can choose from. It's such a great place to start with. And remember, it's only $2.50 for one wig, plus you can get a 20% discount off with my code. Just interacting with her as a whole was just so wholesome. She's such a lovely girl. I love the way she says, boom, here's your order. It's very fun and interactive when you're talking to her in a DM. Very professional and very cute. So if you guys do decide to shop with her, I do have a 20% discount code. So when you go to her and you send her what wigs you want, tell her, hey, I have a discount code. The discount code is Princess20, and you'll receive 20% off your order. I do believe believe it might be only for one-time purchase. You can't use it again, or it's only for a certain time frame. I'm not 100% sure. When you interact with her, she'll tell you the exact rules, so definitely check her out. But yeah guys, that's all of my recommendations so far for all the PNG wigs that I've either come across or purchased with my own money or been sent. But if you guys found this video informative, make sure you give it a thumbs up, share it, leave a comment. Building up the engagement makes me want to push out more content. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.